So lesson 7 is focused on linear expressions, and what is important to note here is it's very similar to simplifying. You are essentially simplifying here, but what's different is you just have something in parentheses plus something in parentheses or something in parentheses minus. So you got to be really careful in how you're setting this up. Again, for this, you technically could go straight to your answer, but I'm going to show this middle step to make sure that I'm not making any silly mistakes. So first things first, I want to be looking at these like terms. So what I'm doing is I'm going to set up a parentheses with the x values together, and then I'm going to set up a separate parentheses with the constants together. So I'm doing 5x plus, because that's the symbol in between x, and I'm doing positive 7 plus positive 2. And then we simplify. 5x plus x is 6x plus 7 plus 2 is 9. All right, for number 2, same thing, but we're going to be really careful with all these negatives here. So I've got negative x and negative 4x, and I'm subtracting. So I'm going to write negative x minus negative 4x. And then in my other set of parentheses, we have positive 12 minus positive 2. Whenever we see minus a negative, that becomes plus a positive. So negative x plus positive 4x is going to be 3x. Plus 12 minus 2 is 10. Number 3. Again, I'm setting up my first parentheses. I've got negative 6x. The operation is addition, and positive x. And then for my second set of parentheses, I have positive 3 plus negative 7. So when I add, I've got negative 6x plus positive x, which is negative 5x. And we've got 3 plus negative 7, which is negative 4. And I'm just writing it right next to each other. Technically, you could have it be negative 5x plus negative 4, but this is the most simplified, because those negatives and subtractions are interchangeable. So my first parentheses here, we've got negative 5x minus negative 7x, gotta cram it in there. And my second set of parentheses, I have positive 3 minus negative 1. So as we are combining these here, be careful, we've got these minus and negatives. So this is negative 5x plus positive 7x, which is going to be positive 2x. And then we've got a minus and negative here as well, which becomes plus. So we have positive 3 plus positive 1, which is 4. All right, number 5. I've got negative x plus 4x. And then I've got 3 plus negative 10. Now I'm going to combine these. Negative x and positive 4x is 3x. 3 and negative 10 is negative 7. Number 6. Negative 3x. Operation is subtraction. 4x. Then we've got negative 9. Operation is subtraction. 8. So we've got negative 3 and negative 4, which makes negative 7x. We've got negative 9 and negative 8, which makes negative 17. Number 7, we've got negative 9x minus negative 7x. And we've got 1 minus 8. We see this minus a negative, that means plus a positive. So we have negative 9x plus positive 7x, which equals negative 2x. We have 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. Number 8, we have 5x plus negative 8x. We have 4 plus negative 2. 5 plus negative 8 is negative 3x. 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2. We'll do a couple more and then I'll have you try the rest on your own. So we've got negative 9x minus negative 5x. And we've got negative 10 minus negative 4. As soon as I see those minus and negatives, I'm making that plus a positive. Negative 9x plus positive 5x is negative 4x. Right here we have the minus and negative, which we changed to a positive. So I've got negative 10 and positive 4, which equals negative 6. And last one we'll do together, the rest I'll have you try on your own. We've got negative 3x plus 4x, and we've got negative 9 plus positive 8. So negative 3 plus positive 4 is positive 1x, or just x. Negative 9 plus positive 8 is negative 1. And that's it.